Love the rain, my boy. I got you in video, buddy. Don't try not to funny with me, buddy. This camera is for you. You and my subscribers. Look at this. Nice in the water. I mean, nice in the rain. Nice little pleasant ride. And then I go and dump it. Then I go and I dump it. Oh. Going back the same way. I gotta go this way. Dump it. Oh, I love the water. Oh, I love the water. Yeah. I missed that one. Yeah. I missed that accident. They're gonna have to get me again next time. Like, I never like to press the brakes. I gotta get used to pressing the brakes. Look at this. Nice. Nice little ride in the water. Wow. Look at those trees. Why is those trees like that? I have to get in there one day, see what's in there.